Hey guys, once again, we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Amazon site. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Let's explore these game-changing kitchen tools together. Take your baking to the next level with the adjustable rolling pin. Unlike traditional rolling pins, this one features removable rings that allow you to set the perfect dough thickness for cookies, pie crust, pizza, or fondant. The consistent thickness ensures even baking and professional results every time. Versatile multi-purpose kitchen scissors tackle a variety of tasks with ease, designed to cut herbs, meats, packaging, and include additional features like bottle openers and nutcrackers. This all-in-one tool saves space and time. These scissors reduce kitchen clutter by combining several functions into one. The microwave steam case brings fast, healthy steaming to your microwave. It features a secure lid with vents that allow steam to circulate while locking in nutrients and flavor. You can easily prepare vegetables, fish, rice, or dumplings in minutes without bulky steamers. Its collapsible design saves cabinet space, perfect for kitchens big or small. It's a great option for busy cooks who want nutritious meals with minimal fuss. The spring handle ice cream scoop is perfect for smooth, even scoops every time. Traditional spoons often struggle with hard frozen ice cream, causing frustration and uneven portion. This scoop features an ergonomic handle with a spring mechanism that makes scooping effortless and comfortable. It's strong enough to handle not only ice cream, but also cookie dough, melon balls, and other firm foods without bending or breaking. This scoop makes portioning neat, mess-free, and professional looking. Spread butter like a pro with the stainless steel butter wheel. Its sleek, sharp wheel glides smoothly over butter sticks, effortlessly slicing perfect, even pats for baking or toast. The ergonomic handle provides superior control and comfort, making butter spreading less messy and more precise. The major benefit? It's a simple upgrade that significantly improves your daily breakfast or baking routine. Glass olive oil sprayer. This stylish, reusable glass bottle evenly sprays oil over salads, grilled vegetables, or meats, eliminating drips and waste. Its transparent body lets you easily monitor the oil level, while the fine mist nozzle ensures even coverage with every use. The key benefit? Controlled portions that keep meals flavorful, yet healthy, by preventing overuse of oil. The stainless steel potato masher is ideal for creating smooth mashed potatoes and creamy guacamole. Constructed from durable stainless steel, its wide mashing surface quickly breaks down potatoes, sweet potatoes, and avocados to achieve a lump-free texture. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, a must-have essential for every kitchen. The pull-cord food chopper offers fast chopping without the noise or mess of electric appliances. Just pull the cord and the sharp stainless steel blades spin quickly to chop herbs, nuts, onions, garlic, or vegetables evenly. You control how finely your food is chopped by the number of pulls, giving you speed and precision. Easy to clean and store, this chopper saves time and counter space. Herb scissors featuring multiple blades make fresh herb chopping faster and easier. Instead of a knife, these scissors snip through parsley, cilantro, basil, and other herbs quickly and evenly for perfect pieces every time. They come with a handy cleaning comb that removes stuck herbs from between the blades, simplifying cleanup. These scissors save time in the kitchen. Stainless steel potato ricer. This ergonomic tool features strong stainless steel construction for durability and a comfortable handle that offers excellent leverage. It effortlessly presses cooked potatoes or vegetables from fine holes, creating light, airy mash without lumps. You can find all the product links mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content.